Hello everyone, my name is Wilfredo Mosquera, and today I'm going to talk about daily routines, my daily routine. Okay, I'm going to start with the first activity. From Monday to Friday, in the morning, I usually get up at 5 a.m. Then I take a shower a quarter past 5 a.m. and I get dressed. I usually get dressed at half past 5 a.m. too. I have a breakfast and then I go to work. I have lunch in my workplace because I work the whole day. I get home around or about half past 2 in the afternoon, and in the evening I have a dinner and I have a dinner around 8 p.m. And finally I go to bed. Okay, I go to bed at 10 p.m. or half past 10 sometimes. Okay, I on weekends I do the same activities: get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, and so on. But I do several of different activities like watch TV, watch series on Netflix. I watch comic films too. Okay, then in the morning I check the platform around 10 or 11 p.m. I check the UNAT platform and do and send the works. And in the afternoon, I spend time with my family or I regarding with them. Okay. Thank you for pay attention to me. See you next time. Bye bye.